Yeah guys, in this video I'm going to show you live how we can charge 4 standard DeWalt batteries here in this Livitopia DCB104 charging station. It's a 4-in-1, or actually even more than 4-in-1. Going to show you why, but mainly it's a 4-in-1 charging station to charge 4 DeWalt batteries at the same time. Can be 12 volts, 20 volts, or even FlexVolt DeWalt batteries. Of course, I have to admit that I got it for free from the seller, but it's still my honest opinion, because I would never claim something which is not true. And you will be able to see live here in this video how it works anyway. We have also a lot of protection built in against overcurrent, overvoltage, overheating, these things. And so I'm taking this out here so you can see what we really get here. The awesome thing is this handle here, or one of the awesome things here. So it's absolutely perfectly portable. So when you go to work or come from work or whatever you do, you can even put your DeWalt battery packs here and then carry with you very conveniently. But of course, to charge we have to connect it with this power cable. It's a normal 2-prong power cable, pretty long, something which I really like. And what I also like is that the transformer is already built into the main device, so we don't have to deal with an external power converter. What's also really nice here in the back, we have these mounting holes and even additional holes here on the top, so we can easily use it even for wall mount, or just put it here flat on a desk or your workbench and plug it in from the side, connect it to 110 volts. By the way, it also works even for 240 volts. And so I've brought here 4 random DeWalt compatible batteries here. I've not tested them, so this will be the real first test here, so we can see how this really works. So I take the first battery here, push it here inside to the front, and we see first battery is charging. Second battery, yeah, even though it's red, it's a DeWalt compatible battery. Push it here inside, also charging. Number 3, push it inside, and number 4. And so now we have 4 DeWalt compatible batteries here charging at the same time. 4 totally different DeWalt compatible batteries, you can see. So we definitely have very wide compatibility. And with the green flashing or pulsing, we can see it's normally charging. And so here comes the big bonus, the big extra here on this side. You can see we have this extra super convenient USB-A port and a USB-C port. And so while the DeWalt batteries are charging, we can also charge 2 phones, tablets, or whatever at the exact same time. Or of course you could also power a fan or some other stuff. And so after about 20 minutes we have the first success. You can see absolutely no problem, not with the charger, not with any of the batteries, but here, because it's showing solid green, we have a success. Here we can see all the light possibilities. And so of course now let's also check the charge here on the battery. Should show 3 bars. I haven't tested that before, so this is a real live test. And so I'm pushing here and you can see it shows 3 solid green bars, which means fully charged. Also very important to know regarding heat, I can't feel any extreme heat. It's barely warm here. Also a really good sign. So for me definitely works, looks absolutely solid, super convenient, helps me to save a lot of time. And so if you're interested into this Livitopia 4-in-1 or actually 6-in-1 charging station, then you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. Could be also a great gift for somebody with already a lot of DeWalt batteries. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this charging station, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.